Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Olivier and Alima. Today we're gonna talk about Merch by Amazon top 5 niches of the week. Let's get right into it. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. For our top 5 niches of the week, the tool I'm gonna use is 𝗘𝗫𝗧 Pro Plus. Once you have access to 𝗘𝗫𝗧 Pro Plus, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to research. The particularity with my top 5 niches of the week is that I'm gonna show you how you can find them instead of just giving them to you. So if this is something that you are interested in, please comment, like, and subscribe, and activate the notification bell for any further video. As I was saying, what you're gonna do once you have access to 𝗘𝗫𝗧 Pro Plus, you're gonna go to the research tab here. This is a powerful research tool, and once you are there, you're gonna click on the BSR change here. You have sort by and you click on BSR change. You're gonna expand the BSR range here from the 0 to 10 million and you're gonna click on search. What this will bring is, as it is said here in terms of BSR change, this tool will show you in the last 24 hours the product that have a significant decrease of BSR. It will show you niches that you maybe didn't thought about. Okay, I'm not looking for trends here, I'm looking for consistent seller. So once you click on the search button, you will have all those products that got a significant changes in the last 24 hours. The first one that I have here on my list, I can see, is a scuba diving. So once I found a niche here, scuba diving, in terms of general, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open a second tab with the same research. So I am on the research tab. I'm gonna type in here on the keyword scuba diving at this time, and this time I'm gonna look for title only and exact match. Exact match is that I'm gonna find all the word in exact order and in title only. Very important. I just want scuba diving in the title. I'm gonna keep the marketplace USA, but if you are targeting another localization, definitely you can have a look here. Product t-shirt. Again, if you are looking for something else, just select what you want. And BSR, I'm gonna look on BSR. So remember, on the first one, BSR change, but on this one now, scuba diving. Okay, BSR range again, you're gonna expand it and you're gonna click on search. What this will show you, once I have the list here, I can keep it as a list, but I like to have it as a grid. Very important for me because I want to see as much listing as I can. Okay, so what this result is telling me, I can see in the first row here and even on the second row here, all the t-shirts have a BSR less than 1 million. And even on the third row, all of them here in the niche scuba diving have a BSR of less than 1 million. So what this tells me is that scuba diving in terms of BSR and in terms of design that I can see is a very good niche because all the t-shirt here that I can see, all the listings on the first 3 rows have a BSR less than 1 million. So I take a note that scuba diving is a good niche. Now, of course, I'm gonna dig into it, find some codes, etc., etc. I have other videos where I show you how to dig down on the niche. If you are interested, please, as I said again, like, comment, and subscribe. So first niche is gonna be scuba diving. Let's go to find our second niche. I'm gonna do here, not all heroes wear, I don't know what is this wear, let's check here. Not all heroes wear capes, some of them are forester. So forester, I'm not sure what is it. I'm gonna just copy that. And I'm gonna go to my tool again, to the second tab, forester, still in keyword, and I'm gonna click on search. I can see only 2 design here. The best forester have beers. The BSR here, 19 million, 13 million here. If you don't have a lot, as much result as you want, maybe you can even open Amazon. This is what I'm gonna do right now. Go to amazon.com. I'm gonna change the location here to USA with the US zip code. I'm gonna type in forester and forester t-shirt. Okay, 4,000 result. what's happened here. I can see the few designs that have sale here. And I don't know if you noticed, but me, I have on my side here an issue with the BSR. The BSR are not always loading up. That take a lot of time. As you can see, a lot of NAs here, but I can see that those t-shirts made a sale. So if you have the same issue, please comment below and let me know if you were able to fix it. I try to remove my cache, etc. It doesn't work. So let me know if you know how to fix it. Because I don't want to dig into each keyword, and I see that on Printful Pro Plus, I only have 2 listings. I'm gonna just ignore this list for a stir, and I'm gonna go back and find another one. Being chiropractor, so I'm gonna copy chiropractor here. I'm gonna go to the second tab and look for chiropractor, always in title only, and click on the search. Again, I'm gonna look for the BSRs. I can see only here 3 of the t-shirts have a BSR below 1 million. So certainly not a high seller. So I'm gonna ignore it. Because as I said, I want niches where a lot of t-shirts have a BSR below 1 million. So I continue. Bologna poem. This is certainly food. I'm gonna copy that, paste again, and search. Bologna, Italia, Bologna, Bologna. Again, I can see here the first row BSR below 1 million, and a few of them on the second row here, BSR below 1 million. So this is the second niche for you guys. You can jump into the Bologna t-shirt that contain Bologna. Sometimes I can see chicken here, I can see Italia. So certainly certainly a niche when you can do a lot of cross niching. So definitely something very good that you can use. So this is the second niche, Bologna. Let's go to find our third niche. I'm sorry, I crammed 11 cookies into the VCR. So I can see here cookies. Let's go in there, type in cookies and search. What do I have? First row below 1 million. Second row, the majority again below 1 million. So again, another niche that you can use. This is our third niche, cookies. Definitely go in there, find sub niches. For example, quote, I teach smart cookies. For example, cookies Yanins. My students are smart cookies, etc. Cookies dealer. This is niches that where you can jump into, but the main niche is the cookies, and this is the third one. Let's continue. You can see camouflage, keeping negative opposite elsewhere. Camouflage is, let's go in there. Let's see if we have a lot of design that contain camouflage, and click on search. Again, the grid, only 4 results here. I'm gonna ignore them. Vintage transistor radio. Okay, transistor radio. Let's take only radio. We have a lot of job title in the radio, so maybe something that we can jump into. So click on search. Again, the grid bar. First row below 1 million. Second row below 1 million. Third row again below 1 million. These are different niches. For example, I can see radioactivity, radiology, etc. But the objective of these niches is to give you niche, is to give you keywords where you can go into and sub niche to find good seller. But we can see that this one is a good, and this is the fourth one, radio. So let's look for the fifth niche. You can see here Texas St. Patrick's. I want this St. Patrick's design right now, but let's go for Texas. Again, I type in here Texas, always on keyword, t-shirt. I click on search and grid. First row below 1 million, second row, third row, and even very low. You can see that even on the third row, the biggest BSR is 347. So definitely a niche where you can get into. You can go into, for example, Texas football, or you can go even by the cities of Texas, Austin, Texas, etc. Texas girl, and even Texas with some German origin. So this is the fifth niche. So in conclusion, the 5 niches we were able to grab together are scuba diving, Bologna, cookies, radio, and Texas. If you find any value in this video, please like and subscribe and activate the notification bell for any further video. And if you want to see how I niche down each niches, click on this video that appears right now. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.